I'm telling y'all, sandwiches with pepperoni added on it is so good. Hello you guys, welcome back to Talessia's Kitchen. And of course I had to jump on the wave of this chopped cold cut sandwich. Like, I love cold cut sandwiches. If y'all know me, I'm good for a cold cut sandwich. So these are the things that you need. You need you some good bread. I got this, I smashed this, bring it in, but I guess we're gonna use this part. This is a sweet Italian stick. Any kind of sub sandwich you want. Now, the ingredients that you want to put on your sub sandwich is up to you, which I really think it is. I don't think it's like a certain what you're supposed to have, but whatever you want to pick. So I got some banana peppers, some mayo, some, can't go wrong with the Italian dressing. I got me some romaine lettuce. I got me some turkey meat. For my cheese, I got sharp cheddar, provolone. For my other meat, I got pepperoni. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is something that we was using on Roman burgers. This ain't it. This salmon, that's for me. That's not going on there. But it's called prosciutto. Don't give me the line. And hard salami. I don't know if I said pepperoni, but pepperoni. And let me grab some mustard. And you'll need you a chopping sandwich. So, let's get this together. Now, like I said, what you put on yours is what you put on yours. That ain't got nothing to do with nobody else. Okay. Open up this. I know I probably should. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse this. Okay, rinse this. There gonna be some lettuce. I didn't say tomatoes earlier, but of course some tomatoes. Let's rinse this. I'm gonna grab me just two. My turkey meat. Now, there's no certain way you gotta layer this, so don't think it's like a certain way that you have to layer it. This is just for me. Now, this kind of meat and stuff, you can find it in the deli part of your peel and reset. You can find this in the deli part. Just four of the hot salami, the prosciutto, however you pronounce this. I'm gonna put two of these over here. I'm gonna put two of these on here. I'm telling y'all, sandwiches with pepperoni added on it is so good. I love pepperonis. Provolone cheese. And sharp cheddar. When I'm making me a cold cut sandwich, I always use sharp cheddar cheese. I don't use packaged like Velveeta cheese or American cheese. It has to be like this kind of deli kind of cheese. Kind of hard. Okay, we got a chopper. Let's dice this up. Now, I've seen some people put their mayo and all that on there, but to me, it just seemed like you got to do more when you just do it like that. So we are going to chop it up first. Okay, I think it's finally chopped. It's chopped up to my liking. I'm gonna put some Italian. This is deli dressing. It is so good. You can put your olive oil, whatever you want. Oh, I need some seasoning salt. I'm not seasoning salt. Black pepper and salt. Pepper. And like I said, you can put on these whatever you want to put on here. Now, I know I like a lot of mayo. Maybe I should have chopped them banana peppers up, but it's okay. Now we're going back to the dicing board again. Let's mix this all together. Hey, get my bread out. I haven't ate nothing all day. I really had a bad day today. I was going to the grocery store. Someone broke out my window and another guy's window. Then dealing with my insurance company. Like, I was just in the mode. I should have just went and got the damn window fixed myself versus going through with my insurance. Which way I open up this, y'all? Okay, this way. So I just came out of my pocket $1,600 because the deductible was $1,000, and it's just like, why would I want to put all that on my insurance? It was stupid. And then the guy, when he broke out my window, all he got was my dog bag. Like, you, and they got him on camera and everything. They got his license plates and everything. So you about to go to jail for stealing a dog bag that had some wipes in there. Some wipes and her stuff. But anyway. Okay, let's scoop this up in here. Look, y'all. This is definitely enough for two. Okay, let's try this bad boy out. It still tastes like a regular sub, but it seems like it tastes more all together. Because you know, sometimes when you put your onions, your pepper, that stuff, and it move around, this is like all in one. Well, you guys, thank you for tuning in. Let me know how you make your chop sub, this new viral thing that's going around on TikTok and Instagram, and let me know how you like it. But if you tried what I tried, come back and holler at me. Peace. Y'all have a blessed day.